Hello, welcome back, guys. And as you can see, so we are back on this client's website, which I was building last time. And as remember, I'd built like this web app for my client, and I recently showed you the front end part of the project. And now here I am, and this is the second episode where we are going to look at the backend part and how like the backend part was really made easy and how I managed to make this for the client. So if you can see, we tried to change the UI to match like her. She asked for like some changes and we managed to come up with this. So I'm not going to take much time like on showing you the front end part which we just saw last time. And here we're going to just go to the part which I want to show you most. So if you come here to the gallery, so in the gallery we have these clients. Of course, these are like clients, and if you can see, if you try to check this one, Nana's introduces Arnold, and you can see this is just looking very nice. You can see, so we're having these photo categories here, and we are having like all the photos in here. So if you try to go and check another one, for example, you can go to Michael Wade Serena. Okay. So if you try to check, we are having also this one here. And I want to show you how I really did this like very easily. And if you just come here, you can see they also have the photo categories. We have the highlights, pre-wedding shoot. You can add this to like the favorites. You can download all these photos. You can share. You can like play the slideshow. And as you know, so you can come at and like the single image, you can add it to the favorites. You can download this image. Like this is just, you can see, as you can see. So this is really nice, guys. You can share. And let us just go to the part which was really awesome. So if you just come to the dashboard, of course, here you will need to log in as an admin. And if you can see, this is just nice. So if you come to the categories, so here, as you can see, if like they have like the weddings, the introductions, like she has just like two parts. So Sally Concepts, these are the photos like from the studio, and these are the function like photos. So you can just come here and add like a category for your own or for yourself. In case I've built you this, you can just do this. So you can see, so you can add a category. So I think we shall just do this quickly. So I'll use the fake filler. I'll not add in any image just to save time. Okay. So if you come here, I don't even remember. So this is the category like which we have just created. So if you try to check in here, like other categories, for example, the weddings, like you can see, so we have these weddings and all others. So if you come back here, so this is our category which we have created. So we are going to try to create our own dummy client, and we shall just remove them later. Okay. So you can, before we go to that, you can just come here and edit, like everything is working the way we want it. Can come here and we just call this test. Okay. And we can just add in an image like of our own, like just to show you that everything is working the way we want. Okay. So we can take this image just to really check out if everything is working very well. We have like less time for this, but let us just do it. And we can go to another thing. So you can see. So if we update like this category, updated successfully, and you can see everything is very okay. So when we go to this category, which is called test, we can create in a client. Okay. Oh, I really love this. So I'm going to use the fake filler, and which we can just also can call this one, of course, test client. Okay, we can leave everything. We can choose any dummy URL, YouTube. So I can just go here to my YouTube. So thank you guys for those who have really managed to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really thank you. And I've not been much like doing the tutorials and all that, but I'm back and we can just do that. Okay, so continue liking and sharing the content. Okay, so we have copied that link. Okay, and if you go here, we can paste it in here. Okay, this one is optional. We can just leave it. Even the YouTube is optional, but we can just create like a demo one. So this is our category. It's the test. Also, the photo categories are optional. So we can like get this client cover image just to like we can use this one like for the test. Okay, let me see this. Also, this one can work. Like we're just testing here, like to see how like she really takes this easy as we expect. Like you can see everything is just working the way we want. Okay, and we are going to just choose like this is 1, and you can choose like 2. Okay. Yeah, I think they are just done. Okay, so let us just try to save this client. Okay, so client saved. So if we just come here to view client, like in the view category, we expect that client to be here. So you can see. So this is just really nice, guys. And if you just come here, you can see this is the video we just added. You can just come and change like the video to whatever you want. This is the category which is default. And you can just add in as more categories as you want. So if I just come here and I add, I'll just call this like, I can call it what? Deco. Like everything is optional, but we can just try to make this really, you can see. So if we try to add like other photos, we can just choose like 1. Okay. And I can just go with this. Okay, let me just go with this. And of course here, I have to choose like where do I want this image to go? Like in which photo category should it go in? Okay. Okay. So of course we want it to go here on the deco. I think, let me first refresh here and choose like again the image. Okay, so here open. Yeah, this is, I don't want it to take much time for us. Okay, so that is the image. Of course, like we are choosing the deco. So if we try to save like the images, of course you can see this is just added successfully. So if you try to go back to like the page, and you can just go here to view gallery. You want to check if we added like the other client and was added successfully, as you can see. So here we have the like, and this is really nice, guys. So you're going to just delete this because we are just not adding things in the client's project, just like that. Okay, so I will delete this category, and I know, of course, once I delete, everything will just go. Okay, so if I try to refresh, I'm not expecting to see. As you can see, we're having the nice loaders. So this is just like very easy for them to work on. Okay, so I would like to talk about this sub very quickly. So for those who don't know this sub, this is our company. It's a tech company. As you can see, this sub leveraging technology. So for those who want to like build for themselves like apps, websites, those who want to upgrade on their skills, this is the right time you check out this sub. And if you try to come here, this sub about us, like we are a web and app mobile app development agency in Kampala, Uganda, and it's very founded by Muke John Baptist. We also run a coding school, training developers in comprehensive tech skills. And as you know, like this is not just like to train, like, but to build like your skills as like you can be a front end developer, you become a full stack developer, as you know, like so. I would like to just leave this in the description so that you guys can check it out for yourselves and just upgrade on your skills. So before I forget, I would like to invite you at our tech talk, like as developers. So we shall be having this like every day around 10 p.m. East African time. And don't forget to bring about like the topics and everything that you want us to talk about. And feel free to join in and also contribute. You never know, anything can happen. You can like, of course, building this is not easy, but you being in the tech, like in the tech community, it will help you so much. So thank you guys. And I would like to end here and goodbye.